In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for project management. In this complete guide, we'll go through step-by-step instructions to help you seamlessly manage your projects using this powerful tool. To start, visit Microsoft Teams by navigating to their website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the home page. From here, click on the Teams icon on the left-hand sidebar. This is your gateway to all the teams you're part of, and it's where we'll create our new project team. Next, within the Teams interface, look for and click on the team labeled Project 1. Once you're there, you'll want to add or create a project. Click Add or Create a Project to begin setting up your new project space. Now type in the channel name that best represents the project. This will help in easily organizing and referencing different aspects of your work. Once you've entered a channel name, navigate to the description and privacy settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to define what the project is about and decide who can access it. After setting those up to your preference, hit the Add button to finish creating your project channel. Now that your project channel is set up, click on Posts to manage team conversations. In this section, click New Conversation to initiate dialogues with your team. Remember, communication is key in effective project management, so keep the conversations organized and direct. You'll then want to add any items you wish to share, whether that's files, updates, or other resources. For instance, you could share a test team notebook. Always ensure that the shared items add value and context to your team's efforts. As you proceed, you'll find that organizing your information is crucial. So, click on the plus button to integrate your notes. Search for OneNote in the app integrations to keep your team's notes all in one place. When you find OneNote, click on it to create a new notebook specifically for your project. This notebook can house everything from meeting minutes to brainstorming notes. Once your pages are set up, remember to click Save to ensure nothing is lost. Returning to files, it might be necessary to rename items for clarity. Find the file you want to rename, type its new name, and click Save. Go back to your notes and use the plus button to add integrations like Task by Planner. This is pivotal for task management. Create a new plan by typing a tab name, choose to use an existing plan or start fresh, then click Save. Finally, revisit Project 3, click on its tasks, and manage them similarly by entering a task name and scheduling it. This helps ensure that everyone stays on track and that the project progresses smoothly. And just like that, you've seamlessly set up and are ready to manage your project in Microsoft Teams. Voila! You should now have a fully functional project management system within Microsoft Teams, making collaboration more efficient and organized.